Hello guys, let's start our lab Arcade Adventure Spanner Part 1. Okay, we have only one task here, access the application. So for this we have to copy this code, copy this link and paste it over new tab. You can also copy from here. So it's requiring some code. So copy this and paste here. Submit. So now click on data image streaming. No. Yes. Assessment, submit assessment. So it telling the enter assessment string. Okay, it should be here. Copy this and paste it over here. Submit. Congratulations, you completed the task. So back, and before ending the lab, make sure that you spend minimum 5 to 6 minutes in a lab itself. Then you can end the lab. Okay. So you can see I spent more than 6 minutes. So I'm going to end this lab. Okay. So thank you guys.